Okay.
Hi everyone, my name is Carissa. I work in the Office of Marketing and Communications here in Edgewood ISD.
Hi, my name is Ashley and I also work in the Office of Communications with Miss Carissa.
Yes, and we're very excited to be here today because usually we're the ones behind the camera, right?
Yeah.
And we're gonna make our delicious salsa verde.
We're gonna use a whole avocado, 1/4 of an onion. We have some jalapenos grown from a special someone's garden. We also have some serrano peppers. We're gonna use some garlic. And what do we have over there?
We have comino and chicken bouillon, right?
Yes.
We also have some crema that we're gonna add into the salsa.
Okay, so we start off by browning the tomatillos, then we're gonna throw in the onion.
How much did you say, 1/4?
Yes, 1/4 of an onion.
Okay, so I'm cutting up the cilantro, stems and all, because we're going to blend it. Why is it burning? Okay.
I think this is good. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. I'm gonna start on the garlic. We're only gonna use 1 clove of garlic. I really don't know how to
No, ma'am.
take this off.
Just like that. Wait, you cut off the hair?
There you go.
Are we done cutting the?
So we're pretty much done. We're done chopping. We're done frying. So the next part is the fun part. We're gonna bring in our blender and start blending everything up.
Here she is.
In all her glory.
Pasteurizer 10,000.
Okay. So do you want to throw in these ingredients? Look at that. Just gonna throw everything in there. Oil and all. All right. So next we want to throw in the peppers. I'm gonna throw this gorgeous looking avocado in there. This blender, we don't bust it.
No,
okay,
she's powerful.
And then we're gonna sprinkle some of this in there.
Okay, so this is chicken bouillon.
Yes.
That's gonna go. This comino is about a tablespoon or so. Go in there. How much?
I would say about 2 forkfuls of that.
Forkful. We did not have a spoon today.
And I think the last thing we need to do is add the lime, and then a splash of water to give it some.
We need a lime squeezer. Oh! Okay.
So that was 1 whole lemon that we added.
Lastly, some salt.
Oh, that wasn't supposed to be. You were just. It's good. It's gonna be good. I'm excited.
12 seconds later.
All right. Sorry about that, snafu. And then we have
Here
lastly
goes some water. Okay, that's good.
Was I supposed to add the whole cup?
No, we're supposed to add a little bit.
Okay. What do we want to do? Blend it? Where is it?
That looks really good.
Okay. Here we go. So let's taste it, Ashley. Okay. So
Okay.
I brought something special for us. Some mini asada tacos. Oh my gosh. It smells really good. Okay.
Ready?
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Seems like a success.
Yes.
So we're gonna bring in we actually have another
taste tester.
who's unbiased.
Be honest.
Okay. I like this. This is really good.
Good.
It's also really spicy. Very good. Definitely has a nice kick to it.
So that's it for today's salsa verde recipe. And good luck to all the football teams. Do y'all have one that y'all are going for?
Memorial Minutemen, let's go.
Yeah. I am neutral, but good luck to all of our athletes, our cheer, our band, everybody that's performing or playing. Just good luck to everybody.
And I'm actually going for Kennedy.
Oh.
Rockets. Go Rockets.
Go Rockets.
Bye guys. That's it.